Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix iPhone when you're trying to update. The storage is full error on your iPhone and how you can completely fix this up. So let's get started. So before getting to the two steps, the first thing what you have to do is just have to make sure that you're not running on any beta profile or on any RC. So which is very important. So as you can see that I just wanted to let you know guys this. So as you can see here, I am on the beta. If you go to software update, as you can see right now I am on the beta. So if you're on the beta, you will be having this issue. So you just have to do the necessary in order to move it up, and you have to do this do the general one. So this is what you have to make sure of the first. And after doing this up, and you are aware of this, and if you're not in the beta or any kind of this, you just have to follow these two instructions. And the first one is all about you have to do a force restart, and most probably by doing the force restart the issue has to be fixed. And if you don't know how to do a force restart, you don't have to worry. I'll be providing a link in the description where you can watch this out, but here I'll be giving you the instructions how to do a force restart. To do force restart, you just have to tap on the volume up followed by volume down, press and hold power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. So this is what you have to do for the force restart, and once it is done you just have to follow the next instruction. So next instruction is all about you have to tap on settings. From here you just have to tap on general. From here you just have to scroll down and you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here you have to tap on reset, and we have an option called reset all settings. So you just have to tap on it and go for reset all settings. Go for once again and the phone will be reset. So these are the basic steps what you have to do when you're having the storage full issue when you're trying to update to iOS 15. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.